Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix profit margins with Costco, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what profit margins are and why they matter for your business. Profit margins represent the percentage of revenue that exceeds costs. Next, gather your financial reports to analyze current profit margins. Identify any high-cost areas where expenses may be cutting into your profits. Now, consider how Costco can help reduce those costs. Costco operates on a membership model, providing bulk purchasing options. Look into purchasing supplies in bulk from Costco. Buying in larger quantities often leads to significant cost savings. Compare these bulk prices with your current suppliers. Calculate the savings to see if switching to Costco could benefit your bottom line. Evaluate the quality of the products available at Costco. Ensure that these products meet your business standards. Establish a Costco membership if you haven't already. Utilize the Costco website or app to browse and compare items. Make a list of items your business regularly purchases. Plan a visit to your local Costco or order online. While shopping, keep an eye on the unit price to gauge value. After purchasing, track the expenses and invoices carefully. Calculate your new profit margins using the updated costs. Adjust your pricing strategy as needed based on these new margins. Finally, review and monitor your profit margins regularly. This will help to ensure you are maximizing savings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.